So that's how you control the fire. So if you have some coke on your table, which you were supposed to have, some of them got cleaned off too clean, coke will start with newspaper.
How many sheets?
I use 4 or 5 sheets. That seems to be enough in most cases. Get the newspaper going, give it some air, and start feeding coke on top. That window out, that's going to be fun. Extra air. You have a rake. Keep the coke on top of the newspaper. As the newspaper starts burning, it's going to hollow out, so you want to keep it amped down a little bit. And you can open up a hole to allow the flame and the smoke to come out. If that window wasn't out, it would be going up the stack.